Okay, I have my Excel spreadsheet and I've already put in some data. All right, uh, this one should be familiar to you. I used this set of data previously. Okay, so although I have keyed in this data, it is not actually recognized as a table yet inside the Excel spreadsheet, right? At least not yet. Okay, so I need to let it know that there is a table. So to do that, okay, insert the table, all right, and of course select. Okay, so I select, and my table actually has a header, all this on the top. So now it recognizes it as a table. So of course I already have all these auto filters on the top, right? But that's not the purpose. Okay, we already know about auto filter. Okay, this time what I would like to do is I would like to insert a slicer. Okay, so you can read about the slicer over here. Okay, so I'll insert the slicer, right? And you can see, oh, okay, there is no connection found so far, all right? So no in this workbook or network or computer, all right? So there is none of this at this current uh, moment, okay? So you see, don't have, okay, don't have. Right. And if you look at the table, what it also can't find the table. Now why? Okay, it depends on where you click. So now if I go and click somewhere inside here, right, and I do the same again, now I can find the slicer. See that? Right. One, two, three, four, five title. One, two, three, four, five. So I can just choose all of them or any one I want. Right. And they will end up very nicely like this, which of course I can nicely organize it. Okay, so now what happened? Okay, I will say I want all those that are not sold out. Oh, okay, see, it's changed. And those that are just, okay, only this is left. So instead of using the filter on the top, I can actually make use of the slicer, all right, and it's a lot easier basically.